Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for the 4th of December, Tuesday. Let's get and take a look at the action in the SPY today. Big day for the bulls. The market gapped up this morning after the weekend news with between China and the United States. So they gapped us up to about the 281 level for the SPY, and then we slowly gave it back a little bit. We'll run through the numbers in a moment. And then the SPY basically drifting into the close tonight. So this is a 5-minute chart, extended market hours chart. We are back above the 50. We're back above the 200. We're currently back above the 5 moving average off the daily. All these color coordinated lines you see here are the moving averages off the daily chart. And we're also above the 20 SMA on the daily and also above the 10. So a good day for the bulls. We did get some retracement as some profit taking came in, but overall the bulls held up. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the action from the trade exchange. This news box courtesy of the trade exchange. Some of the news that came out after the bell tonight. First one up is FATE. So that one holding up okay in the after hours. They had some news after the bell. Let's see, what else did we have tonight? SMAR, earnings per share and revenue beat on SMAR. That stock gapping up in the after hours tonight. Smart Sheet software application. They beat on revenue and earnings per share. Let's see, what else did we have after the bell? GERN had some news. Not too much going on there after the bell. KRNT, launch of a secondary offering here on KRNT. So that stock was drifting down in the after hours tonight. Cirrus Logic, they updated their third quarter fiscal 2019 outlook, and they're cutting guidance. They're a supplier to Apple. So Cirrus Logic gapping down in the after hours tonight. Expects revenue for the third quarter 2019 to be in the range of 300 million and 340 million compared to its previous forecast of 360 and 400 million due to recent weakness in the smartphone market. So that coming out from Cirrus. Let's see if Apple is getting sold off. Yeah, moving down a little bit on Apple in the after hours on that CRUS news. SENS announces retirement of their CFO. Some earnings before the market opens tomorrow. We have AVYA, AZO, BMO, BNED, CONN, that is a retailer. See if there's anything else. SECO. Those are earnings before the market opens tomorrow. Some earnings after the close on Tuesday. HOME, HPE, HQY, Marvel, Toll Brothers, Zscaler, ZS will be reporting, and I'm looking right there. Tonight, after the bell, we had a Red Hat report earnings, and I think they upped their guidance too. Now, this stock closed at around 127. Currently trading around $150. So somebody got caught leaning the wrong way here. Earnings per share beat by 46 cents, and they beat on revenue. So that news coming from courtesy of the trade exchange. Let's go ahead and look at the markets today. So like I said, we started out higher than this on the Dow. They came back to about their midpoints for the day. So the Dow was up, I think at one point 400 and something points. We ended up closing up 287. The Nasdaq closed up 110. The S&P closed up 30 for the day. So strong day for the bulls after that news out over the weekend. Percentage-wise for the day, gold got a nice pop. Nugget was up 5%. JNUG was up almost 5% for the day. Oil got a nice recovery lift here today. WTI oil was up 4%. The USO, the ETF for oil, was up 5%. Light sweet crude oil. OIH, the services sector, was up 4% for the day. KWEB, the China Internet ETF, was up 3% for the day. So good day for the bulls here. But it got a little, it was just a little soft today for day trading. The market popped up. It's hard when the market gaps up that much. Tough to take day trades. You're waiting for the pullback, then that push back up. Well, the pullback came, but the push back up never came. So. It was kind of lackluster. I think I made 2 day trades today. We'll go over those in a second. As far as what's coming up on our horizon, this courtesy of the Trade Exchange for tomorrow, we have Fed speak at 10 o'clock. And then we have the 4:30 API crude oil data coming out at 4:30 in the afternoon. Nothing major as far as economic information. Now, Wednesday, the markets are not going to be open this coming Wednesday, December 5th, due to the death of President Bush Sr. So in a day of mourning for President Bush. So the markets will be closed the 5th of December. As far as some unusual options activity today. Ford had unusual call activity. Merck had unusual call activity. Tesla had January unusual call activity. FireEye call activity. CRM had unusual call activity. On the put side, unusual put activity. Calls are positive, puts are negative. Apple, MGM, SWN, and KO, all unusual put activity. Once again, this courtesy of the Trade Exchange. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the overnight futures have opened up. It's about 13 minutes after 6, so it's still early in the session. Dow futures down about 12, S&P futures down about 2, NASDAQ futures down about 3 in early trading. As far as the watch list for tomorrow, we'll get into that. A couple of trades that we did today. SNS. All right, and we actually lost about, I lost about 2.33% on ASNS. Just couldn't get that follow through that I was looking for today. We got in, we got a little bit of a push up, like right in this area here, and just would not continue to move up. We called it over $4.30. So right in here, thought we were going to get that push up. And it never came. And then the other one we traded was AETI. This one was a 20% gainer on AETI. We got in at $1.25, and it moved up to, right in this area right here. We got in at $1.25, and the stock moved up to about $1.50, so it gave us about 25 cents. And then really I could not find anything else for the rest of the day that I was interested in trading. So didn't call anything else for the rest of the day. So let's get into the watch list for tomorrow. And I'll get on the right chart. All right, so for tomorrow, first one up that I have on watch is ACHN. All right, so ACHN on the daily chart, 1.3 million shares, trying to get above the 50 SMA. Let's look at it on the after hours, extended market hours chart. Closed right on its highs of the day up here at 312. So ACHN will be on watch for tomorrow. We're actually over that 50 spot on the RSI over here, so that's usually shows some strength. I'll be watching AETI again. 36 million shares came into this name. AMD closed nicely, trying to get back above the 50 SMA on AMD. Was up right from the get-go today and just moved straight up. I probably could have caught this right here. Probably was distracted doing something else. And but AMD was strong all day today. AQUA, this one getting up over some of the fast-moving averages on the daily chart. 2.3 million shares. AQUA. Right underneath that 950 spot. So that one will be on watch. ARQL, this one 2.7 million shares, right underneath that $4 area. We'll see if this one has any legs in it for tomorrow on ARQL. Watching for that 395 $4 break on that one. You see the RSI trying to get up over that 50 spot. ATOS. This one popped up today, popped up over $1.80, pulled back, didn't hold all of its gains. 17 million shares came into it, so we'll have that one on watch. AUPH had a nice close, came up to about that 650 area, 1.5 million on AUPH. You see they popped it up, then they sold it off into the close, but we'll see if there's any kind of setup in it tomorrow. You see how it's been retreating from, we got as high back here, 668. So maybe if this one can get back over, 655 or something like that, maybe it makes a move. CFMS. 1.6 million shares, trying to turn the corner here. It's an under $1 name, so keep an eye on that one if you like those under $1 names. CRON, nice pop up here on I guess merger rumors with Altria MO. So there was rumors that MO was interested in CRON, and TLRY also had rumors swirling around that one today too. So CGC, Constellation Brands has a commitment in that one for $4 billion. CRON, like I said, they popped this one up. Big volume came into it. So they popped it up and then they pulled it back. Never got going again for the rest of the day, but I'll have it on watch tomorrow. HDSN, Diversified Industries, popping up today. Got above 2, couldn't hold above 2, got as high as $2.14. 7.4 million shares came into the name. So this one popped and then kind of just slowly bled it all back away. So we'll see if that one wants to be in play. NBEV, trying to get above and hold above the 50 SMA in that $5 area. 25 million shares. They did a merger today too, and so NBEV will be on watch. NTEC, nice pop up here, trying to get through $8. 1.9 million shares on this name, NTEC. So this will be on watch. NVAX will be on watch for tomorrow, coming out of this consolidation wedge here, moving up 10 million shares on NVAX, has that $2.25 area up ahead. SBOT will be on watch, popped up 1.7 million shares, has that $1.50 area up ahead. So SBOT, we're popping it up into the close, and then it actually gave it back. So just wasn't that big follow through, and stocks were not holding their gains today. Maybe tomorrow will be different. TRXY, we'll be watching this one, see if this one can get up over the 200 SMA. 200 SMA on this name is at 364. We closed at the 333, 6.8 million shares on this name. So watch that 350 area and that 200 SMA there. VTVT trying to turn the corner, trying to get up over the 20 SMA. 203 is the 20 SMA. Closed at 199. Volume, would like to see a little more volume in this, but about 800,000 shares on VTVT. One other stock I'm going to be watching tomorrow. It's making a big move here in the after hours. NVLN, their news was Novalion Therapeutics 13D filing from Healthcare Value Capital contains a letter to the company and mentions a suggested fair value range of $10 to $30 per share. That's the news that's coming out from the trade exchange on it. So this stock moving up in after hours. NVLN, you see it closed at about 98 cents. The stock has been beaten down, currently trading about $1.75 in the extended hour. So that one will be on watch. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. We do run a special for new users, $30 for 30 days. Use this coupon code 30 for 30. And you can go ahead and try the service for 30 days for $30. Cancel before that, and you won't be charged the following month for $84.95. But if you like us, you can stick around, and you have other options to join. All right, so this is my website, zozostockwatch.com, and then just go to the Join Me page, and that's where you sign up if you'd like to try the service. $30 for 30 days for new users. All right, everybody, have a great night. Back at it tomorrow. Actually, the markets are closed Wednesday, so I won't be doing a video Tuesday night for Wednesday because the markets will be closed. So we'll see if we can put something together on Wednesday night for Thursday night. All right, have a great night. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and good day trading tomorrow.